Morning, fourth grade. We are ready for language lesson 155. Today we're talking about how to use lie and lay correctly. Also, I have a little headpiece here. Hopefully this will help you to be able to hear me better. And so if you wonder what that's for, that's what it's for. So you can let me know how that goes. So let's get started with today's lesson. I have a chart here on the board that lays out the meanings of lie and lay. The words lie and lay, it's important that we don't get them confused and mixed around. The word lie means to rest or recline. There are different forms of the word lie, and each form means to rest or recline. Now, the word lay means to put or place something. And here are the different forms of the word lay. Each of them mean to put or place something. Let's just go over the different forms here. For the word lie, we have the form lie. I will lie on the couch. I will rest or recline on the couch. Lying. Mom is lying down for a few moments. Lay. Matt lay under a tree. Have lain. Have you lain here all afternoon? So all of those forms mean to rest or recline. Now, for the word lay. Lay those books on the table, please. We're talking about putting or placing something on the table. Laying. Aaron is laying his wet mittens on the clothes rack. Laid. I laid the packages on the bed. Have laid. Dad has laid, or we have laid that information by the telephone, or something like that. So these are all forms of lie, again, which all mean to put or place something. Whenever you use a form of the verb lay, you need to name the object that you are putting or placing. You never lie something down, you lay something down. And when you do that, you need to name what you are laying down. Now, lie and lay are often confused with each other and used incorrectly. On page 239 in your lesson today, in the box at the bottom of the page, it shows correct ways of using both words. So if you look at them and think about how they're being used, that will help you in using these words correctly. Now he lies on the couch. Now I lay my pencil down. Go ahead and just read over those to yourself and think about how they are correctly using lie and lay. Lie, these forms only used to mean to rest or recline, and these forms of lay to put or place something. In your lesson, you need to choose the correct form of the word, choose which word to use, lie or lay, and if you choose lay, this form here, then make sure you find the object that is being put or placed. In one section, they'll get you to circle the object that is being put or placed. Now, like the verb set, lay also has some special meanings. If you think about the sentence, the cackling hen laid an egg. What are we meaning there? We're not meaning to, okay, it's kind of to put or place something, but we're meaning they laid an egg, right? Okay, Mr. Anderson lays carpet and Mr. Benson lays bricks. Now, it's kind of using this meaning, but it's also just another way of saying that they're putting carpet on the floor, that they're laying the bricks down for the building that they're making. So that also has some special uses. You also need to make some sentences with these words. Be careful to use the one that means what you're trying to say and the correct form of it. On page 241 for Think C, you do numbers 1 through 10 today. The rest will be for tomorrow. So 1 through 10 is for today. Write the correct word in the blank. You, as of today, you need to finish your book for your book report. Tomorrow we are going to write a book report along with our lesson. The next day we're going to write oral report note cards along with our lesson. And the next day you're going to give your oral book report to your family along with your lesson. So finish up your book today. If it's not finished already, tomorrow we will get started with the book reports. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.